Welcome to the stunning 1021 Carr Street. Number 38, nestled in the heart of vibrant Lakewood, Colorado. It's more than just a rental, it's your new sanctuary. Let's step inside this delightful two-bedroom end unit bathed in the warmth of the third-floor light. Our journey begins in the living room, an inviting space boasting large windows that drench the area in natural light, giving a welcoming, airy feeling. Its seamless flow leads to a dining area highlighted by a sliding glass door that provides a crisp, modern touch. Enjoy the abundance of cabinet space for all your cookware needs, brought to life by newer, beautifully tinted tiles and glossy cabinets. Your culinary dreams await in the renovated kitchen located at the front end of the unit. Imagine cold winter nights spent by the tastefully updated two-way wood fireplace with your comfort in mind. Heating is provided by the owner, freeing you from extra bills. Listing all the features of this home seems almost impossible, from the large windows, the paired living room and dining area, the cozy fireplace and expansive bedrooms. Add the ample storage and the enviable appliances. This home is a palette of comfort and a bag of detailed craftsmanship that paints an image of cozy modern living. Discover the cozy second bedroom just down the hall. It is well endowed with generous closet space and lots of natural light. This room whispers possibilities of a home office, a kid's room, or a space to nurture your hobbies. Step into the renovated full-sized bathroom, complete with newer tile finishes and a generous vanity offering ample storage space. It's the perfect escape for a quiet, soothing retreat after the tasks of the day. Next, let's head into the good-sized primary bedroom. Bask in the incoming sunlight and enjoy the luxury of a large closet. This is your enclave and retreat. This unit is a place where old-world charm meets modern luxury, where every detail ties together to create a home that's as unique as you are. Just when you think that this sanctuary couldn't hold any more convenience, let us take you to the on-site shared laundry facility. No need to hassle with hauling your laundry off-site. Instead, you'll be delighted by the ease of having laundry solutions just a few steps away. This space boasts all new washers and dryers that are fresh and clean, ready to take on your weekly washing needs. Completing your laundry chores has never felt less burdensome and more luxurious. The machines are not just shiny and new, they are efficient and easy to use, making your laundry days far less daunting. It's just another extraordinary feature that underscores the thoughtful details ingrained in the fabric of this property. For all your extra stuff, you'll find a secure storage unit conveniently tucked away in the basement. Perfect for those extra items you simply aren't ready to let go of. Now it's time for you to see this wonder yourself and imagine the possibilities. Schedule a viewing today.